On Saturday, July 18, 2026, at 11:55 p.m., the Police Marine Unit responded to a report of a collision involving two motor vessels, Ocean Angel and Mango Tours at Anse Cochon. Preliminary investigation suggests that at the time of the incident, Mango Tours was navigating southwards while Ocean Angel was proceeding towards the northern part of the island. Following the collision, the wreckage of both vessels has since been recovered. Regrettably, 4 individuals lost their lives in this incident, comprising 2 female and 2 male victims. The deceased have been identified as Makiba Nestor from Lafargue Choiseul and Debbie Dolan from Market Road, Soufrière. The lifeless bodies of Marley William and Tyrone Elevic, both of Barons Drive, Soufrière, were recovered today, July 22nd, off Ancillary Bay between the hours of 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. The 14 individuals who sustained injuries have received medical attention at the Soufrière Hospital, and those whose injuries were more severe were transferred to the island's 2 main medical facilities for further care. The Royal St. Lucia Police Force, along with the Police Marine Unit, extends its condolences to the families and loved ones of the deceased. Investigations into the circumstances surrounding this tragic incident are currently ongoing, and additional information will be provided as it becomes available.